Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. I'm excited to dive deep into one of the most anticipated drone releases of the year. Today, we're going to explore the DJI Mini 5 Pro, offering you an exclusive, detailed, and closer look at its rumored design, specifications, performance upgrades, and the expected release date. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, aerial photographer, tech lover, or just curious about the next evolution in the mini drone lineup, this comprehensive breakdown is for you. So, let's get started and uncover everything about the DJI Mini 5 Pro that you need to know. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the ultra-lightweight drone segment. Thanks to multiple industry insiders, tech leakers, and drone enthusiasts like Quadro News and X Drone Studio, we now have our first detailed images and substantial spec leaks that give us a much clearer idea of what this mini beast will offer. The DJI Mini series has always been known for compact, portable drones under the 249g weight class, allowing for more relaxed regulatory restrictions in many countries. With the DJI Mini 5 Pro, DJI seems to be pushing the boundaries of what's possible in this featherweight category. Let's start by discussing the design, and trust me, it's more than just a minor refresh. At first glance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears to maintain the familiar folding arm design that has been a staple of the Mini series. However, this time around, there are whispers of significant structural and mechanical improvements. According to the trusted leaker Hakasoshi, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature one-piece propellers, possibly for quicker setup and improved aerodynamic efficiency. Another reputable source, Jasper Ellens via Drone XL, has reported conflicting information, suggesting that the drone will still use the classic foldable propeller design. As of now, it's hard to say which leak will prove accurate, but both point to DJI focusing on enhanced motor performance, improved air vents, and possibly superior heat dissipation to support the drone's upgraded capabilities. These design tweaks could also contribute to better wind resistance, which has been one of the long-standing weaknesses of the Mini series. If DJI successfully addresses this, it could vastly improve the drone's stability in breezy conditions and make it more appealing for professional drone pilots and casual users alike. One of the most significant upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. If the rumors hold true, the Mini 5 Pro will feature a laser-assisted radar sensor placed at the front. Similar to what we've seen in DJI's Air 3S. This new sensor technology promises to elevate obstacle detection to the next level, providing more accurate distance measurements and better object tracking in low light and low visibility conditions. This is a massive leap from the basic obstacle sensors found in the previous Mini drones, and it could make the DJI Mini 5 Pro the safest, smartest, and most reliable sub-250G drone on the market. With smarter obstacle detection, we can also expect enhanced autonomous flight features, such as more precise active track, improved return-to-home accuracy, and safer indoor flight capabilities. Now, let's talk about what truly excites most drone users: the camera. While the camera specs are not yet officially confirmed, multiple sources via Drone XL have hinted that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will sport a 1-inch sensor, a significant leap from the smaller sensors used in the previous Mini 4 Pro and Mini 3 Pro. If this rumor holds, we're looking at dramatically improved image quality, superior low-light performance, and crisper 4K video output. This would make the Mini 5 Pro an incredible option for both amateur and professional aerial photographers who want maximum portability without sacrificing image fidelity. Additionally, the gimbal appears to have undergone a complete redesign. Early leaked images suggest a more compact yet versatile setup, potentially offering vertical shooting modes, better stabilization, and faster response times. If DJI manages to incorporate a 1-inch sensor in a sub-249G drone, it will likely be the first of its kind in this weight class, setting a new benchmark for ultralight drones. Battery life has always been a critical factor when choosing a drone, and DJI seems to have heard the community loud and clear. Leaked FCC filings suggest that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will come equipped with a significantly larger 4,680 mAh battery, which represents about a 30% increase in capacity compared to its predecessor. This upgrade could push flight times up to an impressive 50 minutes per charge under ideal conditions. Extended flight time is not just a convenience, it opens the door to longer missions, more comprehensive aerial coverage, and less frequent battery swaps, a dream come true for drone enthusiasts who like to capture expansive landscapes or complex video sequences in one go. Pair that with improved energy efficiency, possibly thanks to redesigned motors and aerodynamic improvements, and we could see the Mini 5 Pro becoming one of the longest-flying consumer drones in its category. One of the long-standing criticisms of the DJI Mini series has been its struggle with wind resistance due to its ultra-lightweight frame. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to tackle this issue head-on. With more powerful motors, upgraded propellers, and optimized frame geometry, this drone could potentially handle higher wind speeds while maintaining stable footage and reliable control. This would make the Mini 5 Pro far more versatile, particularly for pilots who often find themselves flying near the coast, over hills, or in generally windy environments. First ever Category 1 certification under 249G according to drone experts via Drone XL. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the first drone in its weight class to achieve Category 1 certification under new FAA guidelines in the United States. This is huge. Such certification would confirm that the Mini 5 Pro meets advanced safety standards, while still offering all the perks of a sub-249G drone, meaning you can enjoy premium features with fewer regulatory hurdles. For casual hobbyists, travelers, and even some commercial pilots, this could make the Mini 5 Pro an unbeatable option in terms of both convenience and compliance. Now, let's get to the most frequently asked question: when will the DJI Mini 5 Pro be officially released? According to the well-known leaker Jasper Ellens, the drone is expected to be launched on August 7th. Although DJI has not officially confirmed this date, Jasper's track record for predicting DJI release timelines has been pretty solid. As for pricing, no solid figures have surfaced yet. But considering all the anticipated upgrades, from the improved camera and larger battery to the advanced obstacle sensors and potentially more powerful motors, we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to come at a higher price point compared to its predecessor. However, given its extensive feature set and potential to outperform many drones in the compact segment, it could still represent excellent value for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Final thoughts: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of the year. With its potential 1-inch sensor, upgraded flight time, improved wind resistance, smart obstacle avoidance, and a more robust design, it could easily set the gold standard for sub-250G drones. I'll see you in the next video.